So here we are doing unboxing of Cosmic Byte Artemis mechanical keyboard with blue switches. Yes.
वाह, इतका मोठा डब्याचा आत इतका छोटा टी. बापरे, किती छोटा आहे हा.
Yeah.
What?
Way too small, no?
हा. अच्छा, इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलायचं का?
No. Yeah. Yes. So,
Oh my.
wow, it's too small.
किती छोटा आहे.
It's too small. And cute. In videos it looks big, but in reality it is very small.
And blue switches. Show it in show in the front. In the back, there is a port. USB port. We get more switches and cable pack.
Yeah.
And a USB-C type jack. Oh my god. Hey.
Sound nice, no?
Huh.
This is really good.
Little.
Delete page up. I really like this page up, page down, very quickly available. Dedicated arrow keys. Big one. Seriously, very happy. And it has all 15 plus different what you say, light themes. And I think everything. It has everything.
किती छोटा आहे.
Good, heavy, sturdy, doesn't feel cheap. It's the best deal in 2000 rupees in Amazon. Bye bye.